Have you ever wondered how it would feel to experience endless possibilities? To truly savor life? A place where architecture and Mother Nature entrance you with the most wondrous dance. Where no matter the weather's mood, you will always be graced with the most spectacular views and the most thrilling activities. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, discover Terceira, a majestic island in the Azores. You can truly feel the history as you walk by the people's homes in the kaleidoscopic Angra do Heroísmo, a UNESCO World Heritage City. The faith exalted through the intricate churches and quaint chapels. You can dive deep into nirvana through relaxing meditation or through the crystalline blue waters that gently embrace the land. And whether you are visiting these dark sands where a war was fought and won, and to which the city of Praia de Vitória owes its name, or simply retracing the footsteps of famous writers, you will always be under the watchful gaze of a beloved saint. You can rest assured knowing that you will be greeted with a warm smile and capable hands of equal measure, from the shaping of clay to the most generous serving of a hearty alcatra, as well as several other traditional delicacies. Playing the role of High Monarch, you will strut along imposing castle walls and marvel at majestic palace halls. Embodying the Portuguese sea explorers of old, you will cruise the history of people through several museums. And in line with the beautiful custom of the land, folkloric dance will make you move to your heart's content. We too have wondered when we would uncover a place where nature and culture would find themselves so gracefully intertwined, where we could witness such a wonderful marriage between people and their history. We finally did. Stop wondering, start living. Explore Terceira.